Welcome, in front of me is an OUKITEL C15 Pro, and today I'll show you how to boot the device into recovery mode. And to get started, hold power key, select power off, and once the device turns off you want to hold power key and volume up, both of the keys at the same time. Now it looks like we need to let go of the power key the moment the logo shows up on the screen. There we go. And we are now in the recovery mode. So in this mode you will need to use volume keys to navigate through this menu. As you can see, volume down will go down and up obviously go up, and then power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. And from here you can either reboot the device, reboot to bootloader, apply updates, wipe data, or cache partition, on system, view logs, run tests, and simply power off the device. And like I said, whatever you select you will then press power key. Now I want to reboot the device and go back to Android, so I'm gonna select Reboot System now. And let's wait for it to boot back up. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.